Can you see yourself in the 2021 Honda Civic? With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, traction control. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.